If you're seeing Discord error 50012, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get your connections working again. This error usually shows up when Discord has trouble linking an account like Spotify, YouTube, Steam, or another connected service. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Discord or changing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's get started. The first fix is to use the web browser method. Start by closing the Discord desktop app completely. Make sure it's fully shut down and not just minimized in the background. After that, open your web browser and go to Discord. Log in with your account, and once you're inside, go to User Settings, then open Connections. This is where you manage services like Spotify, YouTube, Steam, and other linked accounts. Now try connecting your account from the browser instead of the desktop app. In many cases, Discord error 50012 happens because the desktop app is having a session issue, and the browser version works much better. So if the desktop app keeps failing, use the browser flow and see if the connection completes successfully there. Take your time here and make sure you're signed into the correct Discord account before trying again. If that still doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data stored in the browser can interfere with the login or connection process. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, and then restart the browser. If you don't want to clear everything, you can also open an incognito or private window instead. Then, log into Discord again and try linking the account one more time. This fresh session often fixes temporary authentication problems. If you're still getting the error, the third fix is to log out everywhere. Go back into Discord and head to User Settings. Log out of your current device, or if possible, log out of all sessions. Then close the app completely, reopen Discord, sign back in, and try the connection again. This can help reset any broken session data that may be causing error 50012. Sometimes, just refreshing the login state is enough to get everything working again. As a quick tip, if you're connecting Spotify, YouTube, or Steam, make sure those accounts are already logged in and active in the browser before you try linking them. That can reduce login errors and make the process smoother. Also, double check that your internet connection is stable, because unstable connections can sometimes interrupt the authorization process and trigger errors like this. 1. So to recap, if you're fixing Discord error 50012, first try the web browser method, then clear your browser cache and cookies, or use an incognito window, and finally log out everywhere and sign back in. One of these steps usually solves the problem pretty quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.